If you are new to firearms and looking to purchase a semi-automatic handgun, there are several factors to consider before making your selection. Some key considerations include your level of experience, intended use, budget, and personal preferences. Fortunately, there are many high-quality semi-automatic handguns on the market that are well suited for beginners. These handguns are reliable, easy to use, and offer excellent performance without breaking the bank. In this review, we will take a closer look at some of the best semi-automatic handguns for beginners in 2023. Springfield Armory Hellcat. The Hellcat's frame features a stippled adaptive grip texture that makes the gun stick to the hand like glue. In addition, the gun's beaver grip ensures a higher grip position that prevents the muzzle from rising during recoil. These two features make the Hellcat easier to wield when fired. Additionally, its trigger comes with a safety blade and has a pull weight of about 5 pounds and 7 ounces. This trigger safety makes shooting speedier and more precise. As for the trigger reset, it improves the beginner shooter's recovery time. Although the Hellcat is a micro handgun, Springfield Armory opted to incorporate a full-sized rail into the firearm's design. This helps the beginner shooter with sighting their target, which improves their accuracy. The Springfield Armory Hellcat's adaptive grip texture is a one-of-a-kind feature for beginners who want a gun that handles well. The gun's trigger safety blade also makes it a great option for beginner shooters who want to achieve speed and accuracy as quickly as possible. Smith & Wesson M&P 9 2.0. The M&P 2.0 series contains an array of models, from subcompact to full-size pistols chambered in popular defense cartridges, and the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 2.0 is a popular handgun that has been well received by gun enthusiasts and professionals alike. Having a barrel length of 4 inches, it's one of the most popular pistols for self-defense and concealed carry. The M&P 9 2.0 is a striker-fired polymer pistol with an overall capacity of 15 rounds with one in the chamber. The curved trigger can be a little uncomfortable for some shooters, but the pull is crisp and light, and the reset is audible and tactile. The pistol features a low-bore axis and a stainless steel chassis for better recoil control and eventual faster target acquisition. The M&P 9 2.0 comes with and without the external manual safety. The M&P 9 2.0 belongs to the company's M&P series of extremely reliable pistols designed for military and police use. Its reliability was proven during tests where it managed to fire 2,000 rounds without any malfunctions. Its ergonomic grip and interchangeable backstraps make it comfortable to hold and shoot, and its low-bore axis helps to reduce felt recoil and muzzle flip. The trigger is smooth and has a short reset, making it easy to shoot accurately and quickly. The gun is also easy to disassemble and maintain. SIG Sauer P320. The SIG P320 is another striker-fired polymer pistol on my list. It's extremely reliable and features interchangeable components so that you build your own SIG the way you want. The P320 features a removable fire control unit that can be placed in frames of different sizes. The model won the U.S. Army modularity competition and was adopted as a sidearm for the military. That fact speaks for itself. The P320 is ambidextrous and has all controls operable from either side. There's no external safety or decocking lever that could get caught on the clothes on the draw. The full-size version is chambered in the 9mm and boasts a capacity of 17 + 1 rounds. The X-Series trigger is a flat-profile trigger that breaks at 90 degrees and ensures faster follow-up shots. If you need a SIG for concealed carry, consider the P320 Compact in 9mm with 15 + 1 round capacity. It is a reliable and accurate handgun. Its modular design allows for easy customization and maintenance, and its ergonomic grip and interchangeable grip modules make it comfortable to hold and shoot. The gun's low-bore axis helps to reduce felt recoil and muzzle flip, making it easy to shoot accurately and quickly. The trigger is smooth and has a short reset, making it easy to shoot accurately and quickly. Glock 19. Having slightly truncated dimensions, the Glock 19 is a compact version of the full-size Glock 17. It's extremely versatile and suits many application scenarios, from concealed carry to home defense. Its smooth profile aids a cumberless, snag-free draw. The Glock 19 features the proprietary safe action system that ensures a consistent trigger operation and provides an internal 3-stage full automatic safety that disengages only when the trigger is pulled. A standard magazine capacity of the Glock 19 holds 15 rounds, but you can increase it up to 33 rounds if your state doesn't prohibit this. No wonder it makes the top 10 best-selling 9mm handguns in the US. The Glock 19 is one of the most accessible handguns to use. Its exterior frame doesn't have any safeties or decocking levers, letting the beginner focus on what's important when carrying the gun for the first time: grip, trigger pull, and aim. This handgun features a trigger with a reset that's hard to miss, enhancing the beginner's accuracy in terms of follow-up shots. Additionally, the Glock 19's grip is textured, providing a steady hold when it's slick with moisture. Thanks to an ambidextrous slide stop, these handguns are also great for left-handed beginners. Heckler & Koch VP9. Being only the third striker-fired pistol ever produced by the Heckler & Koch company, the HK VP9 has become one of the most popular polymer-frame striker-fired handguns. One of the noteworthy things about this model is its excellent trigger feel and dynamics. Unlike in most striker designs that have the trigger increasing in resistance as the shooter pulls it rearward, the take-up of the VP9 trigger is smooth, yet still long, followed by a single-action style clean break and a short reset. With a full-sized handgun, you get a longer sight radius thanks to the VP9's barrel length. In addition, the two rear and front sights help line up shots, improving your accuracy and vision in low-light situations. Additionally, the VP9 features a molded grip, allowing for a milder purchase. You can also customize the grip however you want using panels that come in small, medium, and large sizes. Furthermore, although this handgun is a lightweight 1.5-pound machine, it manages recoil excellently, making it easier to handle. This handgun also features two polymer wings positioned behind its slide and underneath the gun's rear sights, making it easier to pull the slide back. This makes the VP9 much simpler to operate. Finally, the loaded chamber indicator at the gun's rear end makes for safer handling of the weapon by beginners. The SIG Sauer P365XL. It features a magwell that facilitates loading a magazine into the handgun. Releasing the magazine is also very easy to do. It can hold 12 rounds in its chamber, and the gun's longer slide makes for a better sight radius. While the P365XL is highly concealable, its grip is a great size, providing beginners with a good purchase on the handgun. It also has a texture akin to sandpaper, which makes holding the gun more effortless and more secure. Moreover, two large dimples on either side of the gun above the grip's texture let the user adopt a higher hold for comfortable handling. In addition, this handgun sports a flat trigger that's comfortable to pull. As for the gun's modular design, it means the user can change the length of the barrel and slide to their liking. Thanks to its small size and textured grip, the SIG Sauer P365XL offers beginners concealability and comfort. The handgun's easy-to-use magwell helps beginners learn the mechanics of loading and reloading quicker, and its longer slide helps improve aim and accuracy.